Hola, me llamo Señor Adams. Hoy vamos a hablar sobre el presente perfecto del subjuntivo, or present perfect subjunctive. The present perfect subjunctive refers to actions or situations that may have occurred before the action in the main verb. Let's look at a few examples. Me alegro de que hayas trabajado de voluntario, which means, I'm glad you have worked as a volunteer. Next example. Estoy orgullosa de que Julián haya trabajado en el centro de rehabilitación. I am proud that Julian has worked in the rehabilitation center. Let's look at another example. Ojalá que ellos hayan juntado mucho dinero. I hope that they have collected a lot of money. Siento que ustedes no hayan participado en la campaña. I'm sorry that you haven't participated in the campaign. To form the present perfect subjunctive, we use the present subjunctive of the verb haber with a past participle. Here are the present perfect subjunctive forms of trabajar. Haya trabajado. Hayas trabajado. Haya trabajado. Hayamos trabajado. Hayáis trabajado. Hayan trabajado. So we can see that the only thing that's changing is the first part. Haya, hayas, haya. Trabajado stays the same. Drop off the AR and add ado. On the plural side, hayamos, hayáis, hayan are the only part that's changing. We're putting the verb haber in the subjunctive, and then trabajado stays the same for all. The present perfect subjunctive uses the same regular and irregular past participles as the other perfect tenses you have learned. For example, all ER verbs and IR verbs go to ido. AR verbs go to ado. Okay, I hope you're starting to understand the present perfect subjunctive a little better. Adios.